Welcome back, folks. Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to successfully adjust your set screw on your Amia chair. Let's get started. So here I have an Amia chair where the cylinder is not working correctly and I'm going to need to adjust the set screw. So what I have going on here is when I press the lever and apply pressure down, nothing happens. I barely get it to go down. That's not how it should be. It should be nice and smooth. So what I'm going to go underneath the chair here with my screwdriver and adjust the set screw. Like and subscribe. Alrighty, so the set screw on the bottom of the Amia is located right here, just off the cylinder. And all I'm going to use here is a Phillips screwdriver. And either we're going to tighten or loosen the set screw depending on what you're experiencing with the chair. More than likely on the Amia, you're going to need to loosen the set screw. So here we have the set screw. And in order to loosen it, we're just going to rotate it counterclockwise. And if you need to tighten the set screw, we're going to rotate it clockwise into the chair. And you'll see the lever moving up as you tighten the set screw. And that's all there is to it. I recommend doing quarter to half turns at a time and rechecking the chair and seeing if the cylinder rises up or goes down without any pressure. And then make some more adjustments and you should be good to go. All right, so I just adjusted it a quarter to a half turn at a time. I'm just going to do a final check to see how the set screw is. So here we go. I'm just going to apply pressure on the seat. Grab the handle. Oh, nice and smooth. The chair stays down. Comes up good. Now I know the chair is working properly and the set screw is properly adjusted. And you're all set. All right, guys, so there you go. That's how we adjust the set screw on your Amia chair. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, like and subscribe. Have a great day. Welcome back, folks. Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. And here, okay, so let's see. All right, so here I have an Amia chair, and when I Puss in Boots. Okay, so I have it. Did you get that?